Here's a shocking fact that will change how you think about garlic forever. After age 60, your body processes garlic compounds 40% differently than when you were younger. And most people have no idea this puts them at serious risk. While everyone's talking about garlic's amazing benefits for heart health and immunity, virtually nobody is warning you about the 7 dangerous mistakes that can backfire spectacularly in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Mistake number 6 alone has been linked to dangerous drug interactions that affect over 15 million seniors. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Mistake number 1 is treating garlic like a vitamin instead of a spice. This one is a classic rookie move, swallowing garlic like it's some kind of one-a-day miracle pill. Garlic is powerful. In fact, some studies show it can lower blood pressure as effectively as mild prescription drugs. But after 60, when your body metabolizes compounds differently, megadoses can swing you from healthy to lightheaded and dizzy in record time. Think of garlic like hot sauce. A little enhances the flavor, too much makes you regret every decision you've ever made. The garlic health benefits for seniors are real, but overloading turns an ally into an unpredictable enemy. And speaking of unpredictable, mistake number 2 is ignoring your stomach's new sensitivity. Here's the thing nobody tells you. As we age, the stomach lining becomes more delicate and garlic happens to be a master irritant. Eating it raw on an empty stomach might have been fine when you were 25, but at 65, it can trigger nausea, bloating, or even acid reflux strong enough to make you wonder if dinner is staging a revolt. Doctors call this gastric irritation. I call it a fireworks show in your belly. And here's the eye-opener. Constant irritation over time can lead to ulcers. So, garlic consumption after 60 needs a new rule. Treat raw cloves with caution. If you're nodding along and thinking, yikes, I've done that, hit that subscribe button right now, because we've got 5 more garlic mistakes you don't want to stumble into. Mistake number 3 is combining garlic with blood-thinning medications. This one is sneakily dangerous. Garlic naturally thins the blood, which is great for circulation until you combine it with actual blood-thinning medications like warfarin, aspirin, or even some heart meds. Suddenly, your risk of internal bleeding skyrockets. And we're not just talking about a nosebleed, we're talking bruises that appear out of nowhere, or bleeding that doesn't stop easily. The senior health risks of garlic are magnified here because medications often mix in ways that aren't a concern for younger adults. It's like sending too many cars into a narrow intersection. Everything looks fine for a moment, then suddenly there's a pileup. But that's not even the most common mistake. The next one might be sitting in your kitchen right now. Mistake number 4 is storing garlic the wrong way. Picture this, a lovely jar of minced garlic sitting on your counter. Seems harmless, right? Wrong. Improperly stored garlic can actually produce botulinum toxin, one of the deadliest substances known to humans. And the older you are, the more vulnerable your immune system is to foodborne toxins. Seniors who eat contaminated garlic may not just face stomach issues. We're talking paralysis, breathing trouble, and emergency room visits. To eat garlic safely after 60, always store cloves in a cool, dry place, never submerged in oil unless refrigerated. And definitely not in some mystery jar you forgot about last Thanksgiving. Of course, even if you store garlic perfectly, your timing could still sabotage you. Mistake number 5 is eating garlic at the wrong time of day. Here's a plot twist. Garlic affects your circadian rhythm. That's right. The same clove that lowers cholesterol can also mess with your sleep if eaten too close to bedtime. Why? Because garlic stimulates digestion and metabolism, which is the opposite of what your body wants when you're trying to wind down. For seniors already struggling with sleep cycles, late-night garlic can turn into 3 a.m. wide-eyed regret. A safer move is to eat it with lunch or an early dinner, giving your body plenty of time to metabolize those active compounds before you hit the pillow. But timing isn't the only sneaky tripwire. Preparation method makes a shocking difference, too. Mistake number 6 is cooking garlic the wrong way. Now, here's the jaw dropper. If you cook garlic immediately after chopping, you destroy the enzyme that produces allicin, the main compound responsible for garlic's superpowers. But here's where it gets serious for seniors. Without that enzyme, you're losing many of the garlic health benefits you're counting on, like cholesterol management and immune support. On the flip side, if you eat it raw without care, you risk stomach irritation and drug interactions. The safe trick? Chop your garlic, then let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This allows the allicin to form fully. Seniors who skip this step are missing benefits they desperately need. And remember earlier when I said mistake 6 affects over 15 million seniors? Here's why. Cooking garlic wrong plus certain medications can cancel out the protective effects you're expecting. Imagine taking garlic to help your heart, but accidentally nullifying the very reason you're eating it. That's not just a mistake, that's a betrayal. But the most dangerous mistake of all has nothing to do with how you cook garlic. It has everything to do with your body's warning signs. Mistake number 7 is ignoring allergic or toxic reactions. Yes, you can actually be allergic to garlic, and it often develops later in life. Symptoms include rashes, chronic fatigue, headaches, or even breathing difficulties. But here's where it gets insidious. Many seniors chalk these symptoms up to just getting older. They push through, never realizing garlic is the culprit. Even scarier, garlic supplements are often far more concentrated than food, which can tip a mild reaction into a severe one. Health risks of garlic for seniors multiply when the warning signs are ignored, because the body's ability to recover is slower after 60. So what's the ultimate takeaway? Garlic isn't evil, and the senior health benefits are absolutely real. Improved circulation, stronger immunity, lower cholesterol, better digestion. But these benefits only matter if you avoid the mistakes that turn garlic from healer to hazard. Each clove is like a loaded weapon, powerful in the right hands, dangerous in the wrong ones. And here's the real kicker. Most people over 60 are making at least one of these mistakes right now without even realizing it. Think about this. Every garlic clove on your plate is a tiny gamble. One way of eating it can protect your heart, boost immunity, and help you feel decades younger. The wrong way, and it could silently sabotage your health in ways most seniors never even notice. Now, ask yourself, are you really sure you've been eating it the safe way all these years? Because the truth is, most people don't. And the moment you start questioning what you thought you knew about garlic, it opens a door to a whole world of hidden health secrets waiting to be discovered, secrets that could change how you age forever.